How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm sure you recognize this interior, huh? We're in the Saleen today. Figured I'd stop by old Saleen. Ah, that's hot! Ow! The hearse shifter's hot! Ow! So today, we're here with my buddy Tyler. We actually just ran to Tampa to get this thing. Y'all will see future videos on this car. We plan on basically, as y'all can see, it's probably a monster truck. It's a little rough. Not sure if the camera can pick it up, but the paint, okay, all right. The paint's a little clapped, but that's all right. It's gonna be getting painted a nice blue later down the line. But for now, figured if I don't burn my hands, we were just gonna take the old Saleen out for a drive. Now y'all may remember, oh goodness gracious. Y'all may remember from the last video, I was talking how this car is a 1-of-1. Currently, the plan is, as cool as this car is and as cool as these cars are, if y'all go back and look at some of our prior videos, we have a truck that's cooking up. It's gonna be an 1800 horsepower truck with a fully built LS motor, and it's gonna be turboed. That thing is going to be what this car was supposed to be originally. So the plan with this car is, unfortunately, probably gonna sell it, but then get this, we're gonna get something way cooler. So even in Selena's death, it won't be in vain. They're a pretty cool car to drive, honestly. Now we gotta wait for this long traffic. Oh, poor Tyler back there. The little 2-valve. So, one of the most interesting things, I don't know if y'all can see him in the rear view, but one of the most interesting things about Tyler's car back there is it's a very, very, very healthy 2000 Mustang GT, but it's an automatic. Now, oh my God. Now, for you Mustang guys, I'm sure you hear an automatic New Edge and you're kind of like, oh, well, what the hell? Why did he get it? That's because the original plan was to go get this thing for super cheap. Very, very beautiful car. It has no rust inside out. Very, very nice car. But I won't let y'all in on too much information about that car, considering we have quite a bit of videos coming up, you know, after daily uploading for so long, right?
What the hell? Oh my God.
Let's talk about the Saleen. This Saleen right here, for newer viewers coming to the channel, welcome to Smoke Show. This thing is a 1-of-1 Saleen, signed by Steve Saleen in quite a few places. One of the places is in the engine bay. My buddy Kyle took this car, which, this is Kyle's car, which he was awesome enough to let me drive. He took this thing to Saleen Nationals, and Steve Saleen sent him a letter saying, hey, by the way, this is a 1-of-1. This was a COVID car. So that is just one of the awesome, the many, many, many awesome things about this car. And this summer he, you know, I figured, why not take the old Saleen out to stretch its legs? Who doesn't like a little bit of coyote? Where's that man going? Let's get a picture, shall we? I mean, guys, how can you look at this thing and be like, nah, let's just ignore this thing? I mean, just listen to this thing, man.
Kinda left me there, buddy.
You know how fast you were going?
Speed limit.
Get out the car and spread your butt cheeks.
What did he say?
I can go on and tell y'all why a Coyote is super worth it. Number one, the 10-speed. That's a big 100% for me. I love the 10-speed. If y'all listen, you can hardly even tell when it's shifting. It behaves. There's no hiccups in between shifts. That's one. Number two, the absolutely screaming Coyote. That's two. And reason number three being a screaming Coyote motor. Going back to number two. Now, knowing this car won't be on Smoke Show for much longer, I figured I'd just hop in this thing and give it a good old farewell video in the spotlight it absolutely deserves, because this car has been amazing. I want to give a huge thanks to Mr. Kyle for letting me drive his old girl here. And for all the new and returning subscribers, I thank y'all for being here. I thank y'all for watching the video. And we got this guy's little 20-year-old piece of shit. Expect his car to come up in the next video. I appreciate y'all watching. Peace.